I'm Dr. Tanisha Banks. I am currently the president of Legacy Treatment Services, which is an affiliate of Wood System of Care. Legacy actually is a behavioral health prevention and support agency, which our goal is to move people from surviving to thriving. So the intent of the van is to bring our services to meet people where they are at, to increase access so that we can either prevent or support.
When I started with Legacy 15 years ago, I started in a crisis program. We were in the hospital. And for someone to be assessed by us, they had to come to the hospital, an ambulance, a police officer would bring them in, and we would work with them there. But as a clinician, you're not able to see what's going on in their environment. You're only seeing them when they're in the hospital. And from the consumer standpoint, they have to pay an emergency department bill. They're being transported to the hospital, sometimes against their will. So about 5 years ago, we left the hospital and became a mobile crisis unit where our staff are going into the community to see them. And one of the barriers we have to that is that a lot of times we're meeting with them in a non-secure place, or it's not a private place. Maybe it's an apartment complex and they have 4 other family members there and they want to talk to us privately, and there's not really a spot to do that. Other times, it might be outside and we're in front of a store and it's not a private area. They're not comfortable to open up. So by having, Vandoit and these vans that are going to, provide that mobile office for us to meet with someone in a comfortable private space, it's really going to impact our communities and, really be able to make it so that we can bring services anywhere, wherever the person is. This is something we have been looking at and trying to figure out how to make happen for several years now, because we have seen the need. So we just happened to be at NatCon in Philadelphia earlier this year and kind of, had a great conversation with Vandoit, and it's exactly what we were looking for, and we were fortunate enough to secure funding to kind of make it happen.
I just want to say a huge thank you to Vandoit for stepping in to really create vans that will allow us to reach the populations and the communities we serve in a much more effective and efficient way. So we really appreciate the partnership with Vandoit. I can say Vandoit did it for Legacy.